The Effects of Technology on Young Children by Stephanie Humphrey. There are positive, negative, and parental effects of technology on young children. Reading and math are always more fun for children when turned into a game. Computers in the classroom add pictures and music to learning programs that accommodate many different learning styles. Kids today have a new way of expressing creativity online that differs from the old-fashioned form of imagination. Kids don't play outside as much as their parents' generation. Therefore, they are not getting as much exercise. This can lead to obesity, which can lead to diabetes. There are many things in children's lives that cause stress. Violent video games raise heart rate and add to stress. The author of The Impact of Technology on the Developing Child, Rowan, believes playing outside has a calming effect on children and reduces stress. According to Rowan, stress can permanently damage neural pathways, leading to sleep disorders, slow sensory processing, and unintelligible speech, which leads me to slide 6. Negative communication. Lack of face-to-face communication leads to bad manners and lack of empathy. Because online negative communication comes with less consequences. Some parents use technology as a babysitter. If the 30% of apps on a parent's phone that were specifically for their children were educational, it would be a good thing. However, games and TV should never be used as a babysitter. Attention-deprived kids act out. Like the floppy disk and the cassette tape, today's worries of technological effects on young children will soon be obsolete. In the future, no one will know a world without technology in the hands of all ages.